co-pilot. Jack as the pilot. We are in Pottstown on High Street.
Everyone else is doing the same thing.
Checking it out.
We're out taking pictures.
Yeah. This is like nothing we've ever seen in 35 years of living on the Northeast. Well, in the Northeast.
Right in.
Yeah.
Snowing right in on me. It's actually a good picture of the statue right there.
Yeah, that's amazing. Just piles of snow.
Huge, man.
Yeah.
It's like 10 fucking feet tall. So, yeah, of course, you have the scenes for that.
It's hardcore footage, man. It's raw, it's real. Look at them trees. Can't even see.
Shorts on. The dude with shorts on.
Get that out of
From the old timers place. Maybe it had like an old timers attack. He's like, oh God.
Look at this. Look at this guy stuck out here. Okay, we got problems all over the road. People in vehicles that should not be out.
Look at all these stupid people on the road.
If you don't have it, don't go out. There's the people walking down the center of the street are going to get creamed.
What if they realize that?
Christine would do this.
Yes.
This is something that she would be into.
Yes. This is stupid redneck games right here. Yeah.
Yes, but these are city folk. These are
Pottstown.
sort of a mix. Some with the dogs safely far away.
As long as we haven't seen any skid outs yet.
Yeah.
I'm quite disappointed.
I am too, because I like to watch a nice wreck on the video.
Yeah. But there's Lassie.
Come on over here and shovel the rest of this street, boy.
Yeah, check them out.